Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you guys how the iMethod Beauty Diamond Gel looks on the nails. Um, I put some polygel from iMethod Beauty in color purple because they also sell polygel. But for some reason my camera didn't pick up where I used the polygel. So that's what you guys see, that little thick of purple on the tip is because I use polygel. Maybe there was something going on with the camera that I guess it didn't capture that clip well, because when I started editing the video I didn't see it. So let's get to this video. So with these diamond gels, it's very easy to build up the color or the glitter, however you want to call it, because it's a very thick gel. It's not your normal reflective gel polish. It's not your normal gel polish with glitter. This gel is thick. It is similar to the consistency of a gel builder that you use to create your tip. It is very thick. So because of that, it allows you to pack the product like if it was a gel actually, because it's very good quality and it's very thick, the consistency. So what I did is I put it on the nails. I kind of like did like the first coat, and then I cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. If I want to do a second coat, it is possible. I will put it, but in this case, on the second time, I would just pat the color, meaning like I will go from side to side just to create a more deeper into glitter color, so it could look like more glitter and glitter on the nail. Like this here, you guys can see how it looks with one coat, and then now I go and I'm gonna pat this into the nail like it was just a gel builder, guys. The same look. And this was gonna do, it's like doing a second coat, but a more high consistency coat, so you don't have to go and do it twice. Okay. Other thing is that because these other two nails, they have like on the side only the diamond gel, so we will have to encapsulate so it can be level and it can look even, because it's not, it's gonna have like some highs and lows when you see the nail tip from the side. Now remember that with this type of products, every gel product that you use, once you cure, is gonna leave a very sticky surface that you always have to clean with a free-length wipe and some alcohol or anything that you use to clean. Could be acetone, alcohol, it could be swipe, whatever you have that works for you. And I'm using the Q-tip just to go on the side because this is my red iguana hand, and I take care of my hand a lot. I don't even glue the tip, just in case you guys wonder. I just insert the tips and that's it. I don't glue them to the nail because I don't want to ruin the nail. I don't want to ruin the hand because it's very expensive. And I go and cure it in the lamp again for 60 seconds. And then I'm going to go ahead and do my last nail, which is going to be full of the diamond gel. And it's very funny because here on the camera, I don't know if you guys can see how much glitter this gel has. Like, it's insane. So I'm gonna go ahead and give them the final touches, which means I'm just putting a little bit more of the diamond gel, and I cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. After I cure for 60 seconds, I will go ahead and clean that sticky surface with a little bit of alcohol and a free lint wipe. And remember, guys, that all these iMethod beauty products, you can buy them on Amazon. They are very affordable, and if you use the discount code that I'm going to put in the description box or somewhere in this video, it will take 50% off of your purchase. And if you don't know, you can check my channel. There's some videos using their gel polish line, which is very, very pigmented, and it's a one coat situation. It covers a lot. Also, they sell foil glue. They sell diamond gel like this one. What else they sell? They sell base coat, top coat, poly gel, very good quality. I have used before in my channel. You can check that out as well. I have a video on that. And I don't earn anything if you use the code for iMethod Beauty. Just put it out there. I don't earn any commission or anything. it takes money out of your purchase only on Amazon. So I decided to do like a little bit of white just to give some dimension because it's a lot of purple, okay? So I needed a little bit of white. And I cured in the lamp for 60 seconds, and I did use the iMethod Beauty white gel polish for to do the lines, which is perfect. And now I'm gonna use a little bit of gel. This is some type of construction gel. It is very hard, so I'm putting a very generous amount so my rhinestone will last longer. And I'm gonna go ahead and put some rhinestones. And these rhinestones are kind of weird because they are kind of like white, purple, and pink. It's the one that you see on my left hand that they look like kind of like whitish and purple. So those are the ones that I will be using for this tutorial for these nails. And I don't know guys, but I've struggled with these rhinestone pickers. Like this pencil, this white pencil works good for some rhinestones, but others they don't work that good. And I have a lot of rhinestone pickers. I'm just trying to find the best one. I also have this one, the black one that I just grabbed, which is the katana. I bought it on the Swarovski aisle at Hobby Lobby, and it seems to work great. I really like it. So we'll see how that goes. But so far, I really like this one better than using the pencil. I don't know about you guys, but I have tried a few of them. So I'm just placing my rhinestones, and at the end I'm putting a heart as well. And I really like this rhinestone. They're like weird. I've never seen something like that. And I'm gonna use my Gel Edge flash curing light, which I don't have to hold. I just start and touch it, and it will light up. And this will cure my rhinestones. I think it lasts like 30 seconds, and it cure the rhinestones. And then I will repeat the process on the pinky nail, and all we have left to do is put top coat and cure in lamp, and we'll be done. So let me know in the comments section if you have used iMethod Beauty before, what product you like about them, what product you would like to use about them or would like to try about them. I do have a giveaway coming up. I don't know when it's gonna be up, but very soon. And I'm gonna give away some of the gel polishes from iMethod Beauty because I want you guys to try. Whoever the winner is, I want you to try it because I want you guys to see how pigmented they are. So I have a set that I'm gonna give out on a giveaway. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to subscribe. There, I have a few more videos coming up this week. And remember, as always, if you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section. I will be answering your comments. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. And here, I forgot about this. So what I'm doing here is I'm using a gel builder just to even out the nail tip. Because remember, we have poly gel, and then we have the diamond gel. So I'm just using a little bit of this gel builder, and this is gonna help even the nail tip because obviously the poly gel is thicker than the diamond gel. And also I'm using it to go around the crystals just to double secure them so they can last longer. And this will leave a sticky surface, so make sure after cure it for 60 seconds you will clean it as well. Okay guys, so the last thing is I'm gonna go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the top coat from iMethod Beauty as well and cure in the lamp for 60 seconds, and we should be done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.